Was that at the Nationals last year?
Yeah, it was the Nationals ITT. So I was...
Was it as a typical time trial issue where you weren't looking up the road, you were looking down and then you just ran something?
Yeah, so I was like in the position, right? Then what was going through my head was my coach, he kept telling me, oh, you have to be more aero, you have to tuck your head.
Take your gloves off.
I take my gloves off. So I was trying to do what was going in my head, right? So tuck my head down, and I was gauging it based on the timer on the Wahoo. So roughly one lap would be this amount of time, right?